Unraveling, at the very outset, a guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its many mysteries. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem a bit puzzling at first but is quite useful once you get to know it, at the very outset. If you're keen on enhancing your English skills, you're in the right place. Let's decode this phrase together and discover how to use it effectively in your conversations and writings. At the very outset is a phrase that you might encounter in books, speeches, or informal discussions. But what does it actually mean? Simply put, it refers to the very beginning or start of something. When someone uses this phrase, they're emphasizing the starting point of an event, process, or period of time. It's like saying, right from the start, but with a touch more formality or emphasis on the very beginning. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break down the phrase into its components. At suggests a specific point or location in time. The very is used for emphasis, indicating that it's not just any beginning but the absolute start. Outset refers to the beginning or start of something. When combined, these words create a powerful expression that highlights the importance of the starting point in any context. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but seeing it in action can truly clarify its use. Here are a few examples. In a presentation, at the very outset, I want to make clear our objectives for this project. In a novel, at the very outset, the protagonist realized his journey would be fraught with challenges. In a speech, at the very outset, let me express my gratitude to all of you for being here today. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to emphasize the beginning of something. You might wonder, why use at the very outset instead of simply saying at the beginning? The answer lies in the nuance and emphasis it provides. This phrase adds a layer of formality and specificity to your language, making it perfect for academic writing, formal speeches, or any context where you want to highlight the starting point with a bit more weight. There you have it, folks. At the very outset is more than just a fancy way of saying, in the beginning. It's a nuanced phrase that adds depth and emphasis to your language. Whether you're writing an essay, giving a speech, or crafting a story, remembering this phrase can help you articulate the importance of beginnings with clarity and precision. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you'll feel more confident using at the very outset in your English communications. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.